Want drywall installation that actually lasts and looks pro without driving you nuts? Okay, so first off, if you're getting drywall done, make sure your contractor knows all about using a moisture barrier, especially in spots like bathrooms or basements where water loves to sneak in. It's like a shield that keeps your walls from getting all soggy and moldy, which nobody wants. Next, fastener spacing is super important. Too close or too far apart, and your drywall won't hold up right. Tell your contractor to stick to the recommended spacing of screws or nails, usually about 16 inches apart on studs, so the sheets stay put without cracking. For joints, proper treatment is key. Taping and mudding those seams carefully keeps everything smooth and invisible once painted. Don't forget corner beads. They protect those sharp edges from getting chipped or bent, so make sure they use metal or vinyl beads and secure them nicely. When it comes to finishing the surface, sanding has to be done gently and evenly. No rough patches or dust clouds everywhere. Lastly, patience is a virtue here. Rushing through drying times between coats messes up the finish big time. If your contractor follows these steps, you'll get walls that look clean and stay strong for years. One of the biggest drywall installation mistakes people run into is skipping the moisture barrier, which ends up causing water damage and mold, especially in humid areas. Fix: always insist on a quality vapor barrier when needed. Another is improper fastener spacing. Either too many fasteners causing dents and damage, or too few leading to sagging sheets. The fix here is sticking to the right spacing guidelines, about 16 inches on studs for screws or nails. Third, poor joint treatment is a classic problem. Uneven taping or mudding shows up as cracks or bumps after painting. The solution is to make sure your contractor applies tape smoothly and uses several coats of joint compound with proper drying time, sanding lightly between coats. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome for homeowners who want to find trusted local contractors who really know their stuff with drywall and other home projects. Plus, it helps contractors connect with people looking for quality work, making the whole process smoother for everyone involved.